Two different projects, two completely different challenges, and people still think solar is just putting panels on a roof. This week we had project number 1, small system, but every roof likes to fight back. Before touching anything, we verify setbacks, measurements, attachment spacing, and make sure everything matches engineering plans. Because trust me, inspectors don't care about excuses. This system had Mission solar panels paired with a Tesla Powerwall 3. So every attachment had to land exactly where it was supposed to. Rails go in, modules start dropping, wire management gets cleaned up. And then comes everyone's favorite part, stepping back and seeing everything perfectly lined up. Because a clean install isn't just about production, it's about craftsmanship. Then came project number 2. Different property, different layout, different challenges. This one also included Mission solar panels with another Powerwall 3 setup. We had conduit runs, junction boxes, rapid shutdown requirements, the whole package. Every project is basically solving a giant puzzle where every house has different rules. And honestly, that's what makes solar fun. At the end of the day, our goal is simple. Build systems that look clean, pass inspection, and help homeowners save money for years. Because solar isn't just panels, it's engineering on top of your roof. Thinking about going solar? Send us a message. Your roof might be project number 3.